Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is choice. Choice is to actually step up, show out, be your best version. Take that risk. Jump out the window with it. Meaning though, whatever your gift is, whatever your talent is, do it. Believe in yourself, because once you just go out on faith, you're going to fly. You're not going to have to worry about falling out that window and not being able to transition to the next level, not being able to flap your wings and fly, because you have a great idea and it's going to take you great places. I choose serenity, light, and positive energy. No matter what I go through, I choose happiness. I rise above fear, and I direct my thoughts to God, and I make sure I make the proper choice to love myself, love my creations, and to keep pushing forward. Love one another, be kind to one another. Love yourself, I love you too.